Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Jade, founder of Main Hookup, and if you don't know who we are, we're a platform that basically helps people find and book appointments with hairstylists and salons who really understand Afro and curly textured hair. So we've launched this channel to help answer some of the key questions that people have around managing, maintaining, looking after and growing really healthy hair. So what we want to do is give you a place that you can rely on, that can offer you like quality information and just help you make better decisions along your journey with your hair. So what you'll find here is a mix of tutorials. So we'll have kind of like people coming in who know their stuff, who are going to teach you how to style your hair, ways of maintaining it quickly and easily, especially whilst you're at home. And then the big bulk of the content you'll see here are the Q&A sessions that we have with people. So we're going to be speaking to people who just really know their stuff. So they'll be able to answer these questions in detail, giving you kind of like quality information to help you along the way. So the aim of this for us is to create content with substance that can help people no matter where they're at that journey. So whether you're right at the beginning and you're like, help me, I need all the answers, need to know everything, or you're kind of further down the line, you're like, you know what, actually, I know how to manage my hair. I just need a little bit of help in a couple of these areas. We're here to help a bit of everyone. So that's the main thing really. And if you have any questions, if you have any questions that you'd like to have answered, drop us a message in the comments below, because what we'll do is we'll take those questions and then we'll pose them to the people that we're interviewing and having these Q&A sessions with. So you should, hopefully, provided we can find the right people, get an answer to your question. And then what we'll do is we'll tag you so that you know, hey, FYI, you asked this question, this person's answered it in this video. So that's pretty much it from me. Thanks for watching, and looking forward to hopefully being able to help as many of you as possible. See ya.